Hey everyone, welcome back to Anthony Tutorials, your go-to place for learning WordPress and web design the easy way. In this video, we are going to create the most important parts of your website, the pages and the menu. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your home, about and contact page all set up, and a navigation menu to tie it all together. Let's jump in.
Anthony Tutorials.
So first, what's a page in WordPress? Think of pages as your website, permanent content like your home page, about page, contact page, services or even a portfolio. They are different from blog posts, which are more like articles or updaters. Let's start by creating your first page. Navigate to the left-hand menu, Pages, Add New. You will land in the WordPress blog editor. Let's create a home page first. Just enter a title like My Home because Astra theme already created home page. And you can leave the content blank for now. We will design it later in the series. Click Publish and then again to confirm. Now repeat that process. Now repeat the process to create your About page and Contact page. You can create as many pages as your site needs. Now, let's make sure your site opens with the home page instead of the blog by default. Go to Setting, Reading under your home page display. Choose a static page. For home page, select My Home. For post page, you can leave it blank for now or set one later. Click Save Changes. Done. Next up, let's create the site menu so you visitors can navigate easily. Go to Appearance, Menus, click Create a new menu, name it something like My Main Menu, and click Create Menu. Now, on the left, you will see a list of your pages. Check the ones you just created. My Home, My About, My Contact, and click Add to Menu. You can drag and drop to reorder them. Put Home at the top. Finally, under Menu Setting, check the box that says Display Location, Primary Menu or Header Menu. Depending on your theme, click Save Menu and you are done. Now go to the front of your site and refresh the page. You will see your brand new menu in the header. It links to your home, about and contact page and make your website feel polished and real. And that's it. You have created your first set of WordPress pages and built a working navigation menu. This is the foundation of your website and we will keep building on this in the next episode. In episode 5, we will learn how to create your first blog post, format it, and image and organize it using categories. It's going to be fun. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more web tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'm Anthony Morningstar, and I will see you.
Anthony Tutorials.